Adderall XR uses, benefits, side effects, and important information. Adderall X extended release is a widely used prescription medication for treating attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, ADHD, and narcolepsy, containing a combination of amphetamine and dextroamphetamine. Adderall XR works as a stimulant that affects chemicals in the brain responsible for hyperactivity and impulse control. Its extended release formulation provides long lasting symptom relief, making it a popular choice for those who require all day coverage. This article explores the uses, benefits, side effects, and crucial information for those considering Adderall XR. Uses of Adderall XR1. Treatment of ADHD. Adderall X primarily prescribed for managing ADHD in children and adults. It helps improve focus, attention, and impulse control by stimulating certain brain areas that are underactive in people with ADHD. The extended release version is designed to provide consistent symptom relief throughout the day with a single morning dose, reducing the need for multiple doses. 2. Narcolepsy. Adderall XR is also used in the treatment of narcolepsy, a condition characterized by excessive daytime sleepiness and sudden sleep attacks. By stimulating the central nervous system, Adderall XR helps increase wakefulness and alertness in individuals with narcolepsy. Benefits of Adderall XR1. Improved focus and attention. One of the most notable benefits of Adderall XR for ADHD patients is its ability to significantly enhance focus and attention. It helps individuals concentrate better on tasks, stay organized, and complete assignments, benefiting both academic and professional performance. 2. Long-lasting effects. The extended release formulation of Adderall XR provides up to 12 hours of symptom control with just one dose in the morning. This is especially beneficial for those who need continuous symptom relief during school or work hours without the need for multiple doses throughout the day. 3. Enhanced impulse control. For individuals with ADHD, impulse control can be a challenge. Adderall XR helps reduce impulsive behaviors, making it easier for patients to think before acting and make more considered decisions. 4. Convenient dosing. Because of its extended release formulation, Adderall XR offers the convenience of once daily dosing. This makes it easier for patients to maintain a consistent medication schedule, improving adherence to treatment plans. Side effects of Adderall XR. As with any medication, Adderall XR can cause side effects. Some of the most common side effects include 1. Insomnia. Since Adderall XR is a stimulant, it can interfere with sleep if taken too late in the day. Patients are advised to take their dose in the morning to minimize the risk of insomnia. 2. Loss of appetite. A common side effect, particularly in children, is appetite suppression. This can lead to weight loss if not managed properly. Regular monitoring of weight and appetite is recommended. 3. Nervousness and anxiety. Some individuals may experience increased feelings of nervousness, anxiety, or jitterness while taking Adderall XR. These symptoms may improve over time but should be discussed with a healthcare provider if they persist. 4. Headaches and dizziness. Headaches and dizziness are also common side effects. Drinking plenty of water and ensuring regular meals may help alleviate these symptoms. 5. Increased heart rate and blood pressure. Adderall XR can cause an increase in heart rate and blood pressure. Patients with pre-existing cardiovascular conditions should inform their doctor before starting the medication. Important information about Adderall XR. Potential for abuse. As a stimulant, Adderall XR has a high potential for abuse, particularly among individuals without ADHD who may use it to enhance performance or stay awake. It is classified as a schedule-like controlled substance, meaning it has a high potential for misuse and should only be taken as prescribed by a healthcare provider. Drug interactions. Adderall XR can interact with several other medications, including antidepressants and medications for blood pressure. Always inform your doctor about any other medications or supplements you are taking to avoid harmful interactions. Not suitable for everyone. Adderall XR is not suitable for individuals with certain medical conditions, including heart disease, glaucoma, or a history of substance abuse. Pregnant or breastfeeding women should also consult their healthcare provider before taking Adderall XR. as it may not be safe for use during pregnancy or lactation. Conclusion: Adderall XR is a highly effective medication for managing ADHD and narcolepsy, offering long-lasting symptom control with convenient once-daily dosing. While it provides numerous benefits, including improved focus and impulse control, it is essential to be aware of potential side effects and risks such as insomnia, appetite loss, and increased heart rate. Patients considering Adderall XR should work closely with their healthcare provider to determine if it is the right medication for their needs, ensuring safe and effective treatment. Don't forget to subscribe to the Balanced Medicine channel, like the video, share it, and leave your opinion in the comments section.